The S25 leaks again. The iPhone 17 leaks for the first time. There's potentially a new Cybertruck on the horizon, and news about Nintendo. This is today's consumer. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about Samsung. The S25 has leaked again, and it is seriously the world's worst kept secret. Like, just give us the phone, forget the pre-order, just put it in the stores already. No one cares. Samsung doubled down today and told us something we already know. The S25 will launch with UI 7 on its phone. I mean, yeah, we already know that. Like, it doesn't really matter. The only good thing about that is they've confirmed that it's going to also launch to other Galaxy devices right after the S25 launches, which is good news. But the interesting thing is the S26 is already stealing its thunder. The S26 is already tipped to launch with a 5,500 milliamp battery using battery stack technology. This means it can actually add that 5,500 milliamps without adding any extra bulk, which is really cool. Also, there's supposed to be a 65-watt charging option available. I mean, that's really nice, but we have to wait one more year for this? Well, I guess we'll see next year. Okay, let's move on to the Mavic Pro 4. This is super exciting, and it's leaked from all angles, and it looks pretty good. Now, the specs have leaked as well, and the specs also look good. You've got a 4x3-inch CMOS primary sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, and you've got something that I'm really excited about. It's an over 50-minute flight time. LiDAR is missing for this model, but I'm really happy with all the rest of the specs, so that's okay. This is supposed to be launched sometime with the RC track, so look for it to be launched pretty soon. The iPhone 17 Pro Max has leaked out, and honestly, there's good news and bad news. The good news is it doesn't look like the iPhone 15, 14, or anything like the 13. The bad news is it looks like a Google Pixel, so I don't really know what to think over here. Now, take the leak with a grain of salt. I mean, it's just a photo. You never know, it could be fake or not. However, Apple, it's not like them to steal design or features from anyone else. So we also have some news about the Nintendo Switch 2. French publisher Macron, whatever, has announced that the Nintendo Switch will launch between April and September. Expect September for the holiday season. And should launch with games such as Mario Kart 9 and offer backwards compatibility with Final Fantasy, as well as Assassin's Creed Mirage. Expect updates soon, as Nintendo Direct is looking like it's going to be announced sometime in April. And finally, let's talk about the Tesla Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck is supposed to be unveiled very shortly, and it's supposed to come with about a $60,000 price. Now, the problem is that they're going to take away a few things. You're not going to have the AC outlets, it's going to be optional. And you're not going to have the power tunnel cover, which is gone. It's just going to be a manual version. So I kind of see what they've done. They've made some concessions in order to keep the price down. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is that still worth it? For me, yeah, I'd like a Cybertruck. Yeah, 60 grand though. And that's it for us today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Maybe. Hopefully.